The TikTok app is taking over the internet right now, even though most parents haven't even heard of it. Right now, TikTok is one of the world's most downloaded apps. It's especially popular among kids as young as the 3rd grade. But experts are warning that TikTok is actually not appropriate for anyone under 16 because it could pose a serious safety risk. Like many other situations, where the kids go, the predators go, and this right here is the dark truth of TikTok. What is happening, people? This is Inform Overload. I'm Charlotte Dobre. Welcome back to another video. I feel like this is where I normally tell you to hit the subscribe button, but I'm just gonna switch it up and say just don't subscribe. Just don't. I don't need you. What do you say about that, huh? And you should also not follow me on Instagram because there's pictures of my belly button on Instagram and you definitely don't want to see that, so. Okay, let's talk about the cringiest app on the market right now, TikTok, which is actually just as dangerous as it is cringy. I know, hard to believe, right? And I am the queen of cringe, okay? I know cringy. I eat cringe for breakfast. You've probably seen ads for TikTok on YouTube, and people say the ads give them the creeps. There's entire Reddit threads of people talking about how creepy these TikTok ads are. And the app is no different. If this is your first time hearing about TikTok, it's a video sharing app that's similar to Musical.ly and Vine, but cringier. TikTok actually bought Musical.ly a year ago for $1 billion and essentially merged the two apps. Basically, TikTok users make 15-second video clips and they use different special effects and filters. Most of the videos consist of people lip syncing to music or voiceover from popular films, pretty women, dancing, and parkour. In the first quarter of 2018, TikTok was the most downloaded app on iOS and experienced 45.8 million downloads. TikTok launched in the US over the summer, but it's been popular in China for quite a while already under the name Douyin. 500 million people use TikTok, 150 million use it on a daily basis, and many of the people that are using it are kids. Internet security specialists are seriously concerned about how many kids are using TikTok, and they're especially concerned because their parents have no idea. TikTok is rated 12+, but that might be too young a demographic considering what kind of content and users are found on TikTok. Rick Floyd, information security specialist with the Greenville County School District, says that TikTok could potentially expose kids to inappropriate videos and language. Not to mention, TikTok is a huge social network. When you post your videos to TikTok, you're basically showing the entire world who you are, which opens up the possibility of being targeted by predators. Because TikTok connects young people to the world's largest public communications platform, there's bound to be weirdos. And a lot of them. The YouTube channel Luxury Pranks posted a video on their channel a few days ago called Catching a Child Predator, and it proves just how dangerous TikTok can be. In the social experiment, they set up a hidden camera and got their decoy actress named Zoe to pose as a 16-year-old on TikTok and post videos of herself dancing. She was DM'd by several older men, and the team invited over one man named Drew who was in his 50s. The encounter was honestly the creepiest thing I've ever seen. Drew was under the impression that Zoe was underage and was recorded saying that he loves young girls. He also wanted to dance for Zoe and make some TikToks. When the crew came out of hiding and confronted Drew before anything too serious happened, he denied everything, even though everything he said was just caught on camera, including the age he thought Zoe was. The video at this time has almost 3 million views. If you want to watch it, I'll put it down below in the description. Predators have free, unlimited access to children's profiles on TikTok, and they're definitely trying to take advantage. Rick Floyd visits elementary and junior high schools to warn kids and parents about online dangers, and when he visited a school recently, he became really concerned about how many of these students were talking about TikTok. Some of them already had stories of being targeted by strangers. One child named Sammy Garhat said that he got a friend request. He joined them, and it ended up being a complete stranger who just tried to get him to tell them his information. Sammy left the group when this happened, but other kids might not have done so in the same situation. According to Floyd, last year 8 girls in the 3rd grade thought they were talking to a 12-year-old boy with cancer on Musical.ly, but an investigation revealed that he wasn't a 12-year-old boy but a 29-year-old man from Kentucky. Creepy! Kids as young as 9 are using TikTok and exposing themselves to all kinds of dangers. There are disturbing sexually suggestive selfie videos and even videos of people implying self-harm. The app doesn't screen its users' ages, even though most of the videos that are posted are obviously children. To make matters worse, TikTok actually requires a lot of your personal data. When you sign up, you have to share your location, contacts, and messages. It only has 2 privacy settings, private or public, rather than just allowing you to share your profile with your friends like other social networks. So before you download TikTok, be aware of the dangers. If you have TikTok, you probably want to tell your parents about it. At the end of the day, it's up to parents to know exactly what their children are up to, especially when it puts their safety at risk. Anyways, that is all I have for you on that. It's time to respond to some comments. Vines and Gaming said, I love watching your videos. Also, I love watching them secretly while I'm in school. See, the great thing about I.O. is when you're watching a video and your teacher asks you what you're watching, you can just say that it's for your current events project or something. Apex Shot said, Charlotte, will you marry me? Preferably in Sweden. Do I get a free trip to Sweden out of it? Preferably. Weird Kira said, when I saw this I clicked immediately. I guess I did my job then. Oscar Lewis Boglin said, what do Italians eat on Halloween? Creepy pastas. Good one. The video's over. This right here is the end screen, so you got a couple choices right now to keep watching. Why don't you check out that playlist that's right over there, and obviously if you enjoyed your time here, why don't you leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so I can see you in a future IO video.